How to play CS2 Faceit. Welcome back to the channel, and let's get started with this tutorial. Firstly, launch a preferred browser in your device. Search for faceit.com. You'll be redirected to your Faceit. Now if you have not logged in yet, make sure to log in into your account. You can easily team up in your Faceit and play a CS2 or any other preferred game. Tap on the plus sign icon to invite your friends over. In the ranking section, you can also check for your own rank, also your friends, or globally. By this way, you can analyze your gameplay as well. Select on the option of matchmaking. When you are in here, you will see a team of your own. In the plus sign icon, by tapping on it, you'll be able to invite your friend and play the game that you prefer. Select on Tonic Game. Now wait until it completely loads up. You can link up your Steam and your Faceit. By this way, you'll be able to play a CS2 and any other game that is available in your Steam. If you want to know more of the feature in your Faceit, you can just check out the Super Match option, in which you need to subscribe to a package. In order to do so, at the very top, you will find an upgrade button. Select on upgrade. Now here you will find a package of premium. Then you can just select on upgrade to premium. Once you tap on it, you'll get much more feature of Faceit. And that's pretty much it for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.